guitar. We have IAM TONGI here, the winner of American Idol, with a song called I'll Be Seeing You, the song he got famous with. So great song there, very easy to play, suits guitar very well. And he plays this in different positions here. I've seen him live, like live recordings, and sometimes capo on first, sometimes on the second, and we will go with capo here on fourth. Why? Because it's easy chords, first and foremost. We also have these bass transitions there used in the song, and if you want to use the bass notes there between the chords, this will be the easiest scenario here to get all the bass notes. So that's why capo on fourth. Let's take a look at the chords. So first we have the G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. C next, that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have the E minor, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And then finally we have the D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Alright, so first and foremost, we're gonna look at the basic playing here without any bass notes, building these bridges between the chords and so just the playing chord progression here with the strumming pattern. So first, let's take a look at the strumming. We have the G as the first chord, so grab that one first. Then one strumming round will be down, up, up. So down, and then a short pause, and then up, down, up. Like this. Okay, and it's best if you play the first down here on the bass notes, bass strings, E, A, and D perhaps, and then you answer the up, down, up on the mid, top strings, the higher strings up here. All right, so bass. That's the rhythm, down, up, down, up. All right, so the chord progression here for the verses will be G, A minor, C, and G. So it both starts and ends on G. So that is how it goes. You're gonna play 4 strumming rounds per chord. So that gives us this. So I played 2 rounds for you here just to illustrate that it both starts and ends on the G. And 2 rounds, that's what you're gonna play for the verses. G, A minor, C, and G. All right, then we will look at the pre-choruses played in the same way as well. And you're gonna play the same strumming pattern here. Now you're gonna play A minor, 4 strumming rounds, then E minor 4, then C 2, and then you just land on 1 down on the D, plus the big pause there that takes us to the chorus and leads up to the chorus. So that is only the one and only round you're gonna play of these chords for the pre-choruses, both the first and the second one. A minor 4, E minor 4, C 2, D just 1 down like this. look at the chords, and guess what? The chord progression with the amount of strumming rounds is the same. G4, A minor 4, C4, and G4. Now we will add one extra down into the strumming pattern. That's the only thing that differs from the verse play. So one round of strumming goes like this. If you have the G, down, down, up, down, up. So the pause there will be pretty much yeah, it will be no pause there after the first down. So down, down, up, okay? So. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So that is one round. All right, so with that strumming pattern, you're going to play the same chords and amount of strumming pattern rounds per chord. And you're going to play for 2 rounds as well in both choruses. And then after the both first and second round of everything, after the second chorus comes the post-chorus parts. And you're going to play in the same way as you play the choruses for another 4 rounds. And that is how this song ends. Beautiful song. All right, so now here in the end, I just want to show you some ways of handling the bass notes, which I promised here. And that's why we have the capo on fourth. One reason for it, because it's the easiest way to have that when you use the bass notes. So we'll use them in the verse play only. All right, so one round could go like this with the bass notes. So what you do here, you pretty much play 3 rounds for each and every chord, and then on the 4th round you use the bass notes here as the transition notes. So for G, 1, 2, 3, and now. So here you can use 2nd on A, open A, and 3rd E. And after 3rd E, you go to the next chord, the A minor. So these 3 notes, it will be, the value of them will be pretty much 1 strumming round. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and for A minor, you can use these notes. So 2nd on A, open A, and back to 2nd on A. And then you go to the next chord, the C. 3 notes you can use here will be 3rd on A, 2nd on A, and open A, and then you're back on the G again. And here you can play 4 strumming rounds. Alright, so that is one way of playing the bass notes. You can use them. You can also use other notes if you find them suit this song here. Different notes are used here in this song, so there are no really rules for this. Just feel free to use them and find your way with it. So that pretty much covers I'm TONGI, I'll be seeing you. So happy to help you guys, and if you enjoyed this, if it was helpful, please let me know. Thumb up this tutorial and subscribe to this channel. Until next time guys, play tuned.